Hello, welcome viewers. My name is Jim. Welcome to Online Everything. So this is my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make hundreds of dollars uploading PDF. So this is worldwide, so don't be afraid, and it is free. You don't have to pay any money to get into this. So before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel and you want to receive videos like this every week or every day, please just subscribe, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon so you get notified anytime I make a new video. So now, if you've done that, let's get into the video. So the two websites I'm going to be talking about is Payhip and FreePLR downloads. So what Payhip does is it allows you to sell your goods here free of charge without paying any money for selling here. So if you look at the pricing, you're gonna get you see $0. You pay $0 per month. There are different plans. You pay $0 per month for selling here. So what do you get? You get all features, unlimited products, unlimited revenue. But the only thing about this plan is that they take 5% from your profit. So if you make about $100, they're gonna take $5. If you make about $50 from selling products here, they're gonna take $2.50. Now, if you click on this get started button, it's gonna take you to the sign up page where you put your email and your password and create your account. If you create an account, it's gonna take you to this dashboard. So your dashboard is gonna look like this. So this is the first website, payhip.com. So let's go to the other website, which is freeplrdownloads.com. freeplrdownloads.com allows you to download free ebooks that people need for free without copyright, and these ebooks you can sell them to other people. These are ebooks that talk about different things. You can see perfect love, dates. There's so many niches. You have affiliate marketing, beauty blog, email marketing. You talk about product creation, relationships, and health. So this website allows you to download this for free without copyright. So now, how do you actually make money from this website? Now, you're going to be downloading the ebooks from this website and selling in your payhip.com. How do you do that? Now you can see there are so many niches right here, but this you can see affiliate marketing has so many competition. Internet marketing has so much competition. There's self-help, parenting pets, but I'm going to advise you to go on relationship. If you choose relationship, if you click on it, it's going to take you to a page like this where you get relationship concern ebooks. You can see, so you want to break up, you see perfect date, you see defeating divorce, because you can see in this lockdown there's so many broken up marriages. People want to fix their marriages. You can see husbands want to fix their marriages. Some are threatened by divorce. So you can see so many ebooks. So what you're gonna do is choose from these ebooks which one you want to sell. Which one do you think people are gonna buy from you? So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be selecting this one, the Broken Heart Survivor Guide. And if you click on it, it's gonna take you to this page. So you can see Broken Heart Survivor Guide. So here you can easily download it. It's 1.9 megabytes. So if you click on this download button, it's gonna download. As you can see here, I've already downloaded it. Broken Heart Survivor is .zip. So but what I would advise you to do is, if it's a zip format, I advise you to extract it. Or if you have any extractor, you can use WinZip to extract it, because what we are going to be selling is PDF. We're not going to be selling zip. So so that when buyers click on your download link, they're going to be getting this PDF format, not a zip format. So now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be making an online demo of how to actually upload this content that you've downloaded from here to your Payhip account and make money from it. So if you go to your dashboard and click on products, your Payhip dashboard, you click on products, it's going to take you to this page like this. So if you click on add product, it's going to take you to this page. So you click on add digital product. If you click on add digital product, it's going to bring you here. Now when it brings you here to this page, Now what you want to do is you're going to upload the file that you downloaded from your VPLR. From this page, you're going to upload that file, the file that you have already extracted, and it's going to be in PDF format. So you're going to click on add product file. If you click on add product file, it's going to bring you to your computer and you're going to have to upload it. So this is the file that I downloaded from that page. But what I would advise you to do is make sure you edit the name of the file. So the actual name of the file was Broken Heart Survival Guide, but I advise you to add something unique in front of it before you upload it, so to make it unique, different from what they have on this website. So as you can see, I added secret review. You can use ultimate guide, broken hearted, anything that you choose, but whatever you choose, make sure you add the real title of this ebook after. So you're going to upload it. So as you can see, it's uploading. See, 100% uploaded. So now you're going to add the next one is the title, which is the title of this. So as you're going to use the name of the title of the ebook, the one that you renamed. So this is the name. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy it and I'll paste it here. If you like, you can type it or whatever you want, but to make it fast, I'm just gonna paste it. So now let's come to the pricing. You can see the pricing you have. You can put any amount that you choose to, but I'm going to suggest that you use $5 because $5 is not too expensive and it's not too cheap either, because people are going to want to pay $5 and to pay $10 for an ebook. And if you check it, it's just 29 pages long. So nobody's gonna like to pay $10. People are gonna be resistant to pay $10 for 25 pages long PDF. So you rather pay $5. So you might want to change this to $5. So now cover page. How do you get this cover page? So you go back to the page where you downloaded the PDF file from. So you can see here, this is it. You don't have to, because without a cover page, your product is likely not going to sell. So what you're going to do is you don't have to create your own. You can take this one from the download page. If you're using a computer, all you have to do is right click, you click on save image as. If you click it, it's going to take you, it's going to be downloaded to your computer. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. So but if you are using that phone, you can screenshot this, or you can click on this, hold on this, a page is going to pop up and you can save the image as whatever you want to save it as. So now I've already downloaded the picture, so I want to upload it. So I'm going to have to click on it and wait for it to open. So this is the picture that I downloaded from it. So I'm going to select open and save. So you can see the picture is already uploaded. So that's all you have to do. And now the description, you don't have to know what to write. You can just come here and literally copy everything here from the description, copy everything and paste it wherever, paste it here. So I'm just going to type whatever I want. So I'm going to write demo for the sake of this video. So that's all. You click on add product and you're going to be taken to this page. So you're all done. Now this is your link. Remember, this is your link that you're going to be using to share, to make sales. So you copy this link and you can share wherever. Now you copy that link, paste it somewhere, keep it safe. Now if you click on my product page, come on, click, you are going to be taken to this page. This is your page. This is the page that your viewers are going to see. Anybody that clicks on link, this is where they're going to be taken to. This is what they're going to see. So you can see this is the cover page that we took from this website. This is the cover page that we took. So you can see this is my name that I use in registering for the payhip.com. Now this is my description that I wrote demo. Don't write demo. Write the description that you're going to take from this plr.com. So now this is the amount I'm going to be paying for to get this ebook. And now pay attention to this, because this is very important, because if you do not finish this one, you're not going to get paid. Now this is the payment aspect. So if you click on it, you enter your payment details. If you click on it, you're going to be brought to this page. You see you can link your PayPal account to this website or your Stripe account, and with this Stripe you're going to be paid directly to your bank account if you do not have a PayPal account. So once this is set up, I suggest you leave this as USD, that's dollars, then you click save settings, and you are all done. Payment details have been updated. You are all done. All you have to do now is go back the link that you took from the previous page. That's your link that you're going to be sharing for people to buy through. So, and one place I suggest that you're gonna get buyers is Facebook. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. You're not just going to go to the groups and spam them with your links. No, you're not going to do that, because if you do that, whatever you post, Facebook is going to take note of it, and your post is going to be taken down. People might not even see it. You yourself might not even see it. So what I suggest is, if you go to those Facebook groups, relationship Facebook group, divorce, breakups, there's so many Facebook, thousands and thousands of Facebook groups on Facebook that you can go. How you're going to do it is this: if you're going to get them engaged, you're going to tell them, okay, now are you going through problems? You're going to put it like this: are you going through problems? Are you having problems in your home? Are you facing divorce? Do you want a solution? Are you tired of this life? Do you want a solution to your problem? If you want a solution to your problem, just comment info, and then when they type info, you're going to message them. You're not going to message them. You're going to add them first before you message them, because if you message them like that, Facebook is going to see your message as spam, and they might not get the message. So you're going to add them first, then tell them before you cannot tell them, okay, see where you can get this ebook. Click on this link, you're going to get the ebook. So that's how you're going to do it. So don't paste your link randomly everywhere you see the website, because you're just going to be pasting the links and nobody's going to be clicking on them, because they're never going to see the posts. So these are ways to do it. Just go to each. There's so thousands of Facebook groups. If you click on them and get them engaged, that's the way. Get them engaged. Write something that they're going to get engaged in. If you comment info, then you add them up and text them. So that's all for today. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you found this video educative enough and good for you, please click on the like button there, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I make a new video. So thank you. Till next time.